Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and as you can see, I'm doing a makeup tutorial. I was just planning some makeup and I was doing the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe, and I came up with this look. Let's see if I can redo this look on this eye. So if you like to see how I did it, go ahead and stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alright. Alright. I am about to do some eyeliner for you guys on camera. Nothing too special, just a little swipe. Yep, that's it. And do the other eye. Alright guys, here is the finished look. I done my lower lash line, put on my foundation, a little bit of contouring. I didn't put on any lipstick, just didn't feel like it today. This was all for the eyes, so if you like this eye shadow look, I guess you can call it aquamarine, I don't know. But give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And thank you for joining the family. Until next time guys, if you want to see a particular look, like certain colors, let me know and I'm gonna do what I gotta do to fix it and make it look good. So all right guys, peace. I'm out of here.